Imagine an elusive creature, towering over the tallest humans, leaving enormous footprints in its wake, Bigfoot. This mythical being has sparked intrigue and fascination for centuries, striding the line between reality and folklore. From the dense forests of North America to the remote Himalayas, people claim to have glimpsed this enigma, but evidence remains as elusive as the creature itself, fueling endless debates and investigations. But is Bigfoot just a figment of our collective imagination, or is there more to this mystery? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing mysteries. Numerous investigations have attempted to uncover the truth about Bigfoot. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the dense forests of the Pacific Northwest, the elusive creature has left footprints, quite literally, that have spurred countless expeditions and studies. Perhaps the most famous of these is the Patterson-Gimlin film from 1967. This one-minute reel, shot in the forest of Northern California, purportedly shows a female Bigfoot striding along a creek bed. It's grainy and shaky, but it's been enough to keep Bigfoot hunters on the trail for over half a century. Then we have the Skookumcast of the year 2000. Discovered in the state of Washington, this imprint of a large hairy creature lying down to eat apples has been both hailed as a significant piece of evidence and derided as a simple elk wallow. In more recent times, DNA studies led by Dr. Melba Ketchum have added a new dimension to the Bigfoot debate. Ketchum's work suggests that Bigfoot could be a hybrid species, a cross between humans and some unknown primate. Critics have questioned her methodology and results, but her findings have nonetheless ignited a firestorm of discussion. These investigations have polarized the scientific community, with some declaring them as hoaxes, while others believe they provide substantial proof of Bigfoot's existence. The sightings of Bigfoot are as mysterious as the creature itself. For decades, people from all corners of the globe have reported encounters with this elusive being, and while the specifics of each sighting vary, the consistency in descriptions is truly fascinating. Consider the Pacific Northwest, the unofficial home of Bigfoot. Here, eyewitnesses often describe a massive bipedal creature covered in thick, dark fur. Its eyes, they say, glow in the darkness, and its footprints are unmistakably large, bigger than any humans could be. These sightings typically occur in dense forests, far from the prying eyes of civilization. But Bigfoot isn't exclusive to the Pacific Northwest. Travel halfway across the globe to the Himalayas, and you'll find a similar creature, the Yeti. Locals and mountaineers alike have reported sightings of this abominable snowman. Again, the descriptions echo those of Bigfoot, a large bipedal creature with an imposing presence. The main difference? The Yeti is said to reside in the snow-capped mountains, far from the dense forests of the Pacific Northwest. And these are just two examples, from the Yui in Australia to the Yeren in China. These creatures, all bearing a striking resemblance to Bigfoot, have been reported in various parts of the world. The consistency in descriptions is intriguing, to say the least. But what truly adds credibility to these sightings is the caliber of the eyewitnesses. These aren't just fanciful tales spun by attention seekers. Many reports come from reliable sources: park rangers, police officers, scientists, and seasoned outdoor enthusiasts, people whose observations hold weight. So, what does this all mean? Are these sightings the product of overactive imaginations, elaborate hoaxes, or is there a kernel of truth hidden within them? The answer remains elusive, much like the creature itself. These sightings, despite their geographical diversity, share striking similarities, adding another layer of intrigue to the Bigfoot enigma. The existence of Bigfoot remains one of the world's greatest unsolved mysteries. The question of belief is a complex one, with a chasm that separates the skeptics from the believers. On one side, we have the skeptics, who demand tangible, undeniable proof, a standard that has yet to be met. They argue that myths and legends have a way of shaping our perceptions, leading us to see what we want to see rather than what truly exists. On the other side of the divide, the believers stand firm. They argue that the sheer volume of sightings, the footprints, the tales handed down through generations, cannot simply be dismissed as figments of overactive imaginations. The lack of definitive evidence only fuels this debate, feeding the fire of this enduring mystery. So, after hearing about the investigations, the research, and the sightings, do you believe in the existence of Bigfoot?